Caterpillar 336 versus Komatsu PC360, the ultimate excavator comparison. Walk on to any major job site and you'll see two names that rule the world of earth-moving, Caterpillar and Komatsu. For decades, these giants have been in a constant battle for the top spot, pushing what's possible in power, tech, and efficiency. But when you put their top 35-ton excavators, the Cat 336 and the Komatsu PC360, side by side, which one really comes out on top? Picking the wrong machine can set you back thousands in fuel, repairs, and lost time. A mistake that big can make or break a project. So today, we're going to dig deep into the specs, the technology, and the real-world performance of these two machines. We're running them through a series of tests, from raw power and digging force to smart tech and operator comfort, to see if we can crown a champion. This is the ultimate showdown. Section 1, the tale of the tape, a legacy of two giants. Before we get these machines dirty, it's worth understanding the ideas that drive these two companies. Caterpillar, an American icon, was officially formed in 1925 through a merger of two earlier companies, the Holt Manufacturing Company and CL Best Tractor Company. Cat built its reputation on unmatched durability and pure brute force. Their machines are known for being tough as nails, earning them a gold standard reputation for reliability everywhere. The brand is all about power and a global parts network that's second to none. Komatsu, founded in Japan in 1921, took a slightly different route. While they also build incredibly tough machines, Komatsu has always been a trailblazer in innovation and efficiency. They're famous for their advanced hydraulics and for being early adopters of electronic controls, often striking a balance between power and precision. These different approaches are baked right into the DNA of the machines we're comparing. The Cat 336 channels the brand's focus on raw, productive power, while the Komatsu PC360 reflects a commitment to high-tech efficiency and a design that puts the operator first. Section 2, power and guts. All right, let's get to the good stuff, the engine and hydraulics. This is where the fight for job site dominance really kicks off. The Caterpillar 336, especially the next-gen models, starts with a significant power advantage. Depending on the exact model, its engine can put out anywhere from about 225 to an impressive 311 horsepower. That raw power is built for one thing: getting the job done in the toughest conditions. If you're ripping through rock or moving tons of heavy material, that extra horsepower gives you a clear advantage. But don't write off the Komatsu PC360. Its engine delivers a solid 257 horsepower. Where Komatsu pushes back is in the details of its hydraulic force. The PC360 often has a higher bucket breakout force, sometimes listed as high as 51,150 pounds force. It can also have a slight edge in dip or tear-out force. This means while the Cat might have more engine grunt, the Komatsu is engineered to apply its power with incredible precision right at the bucket, giving it an edge when prying out stubborn material. So, who takes this round? It's a split decision. For sheer engine power that can tear through just about anything, the Cat 336 wears the crown. But for optimized breakout force, where the work gets done, the PC360 proves it's not just about engine size, but how you use that power. Section 3, digging deep and reaching far. An excavator is only as good as its ability to dig, lift, and load. Here, we're looking at reach, depth, and lifting capacity. Dimensionally, these machines are incredibly similar, which shows you just how fierce the competition is in this class. The Caterpillar 336 with a monoboom has a maximum digging depth of around 21 feet and 2 inches. The Komatsu PC360 can sometimes dig a little deeper, reaching down to 21 feet and 5 inches. Now, 3 inches might not sound like a lot, but on a deep utility job, it can be the difference between hitting your grade in one shot or having to readjust. Komatsu also tends to have a slight advantage in reach. For jobs where you're clearing a wide area or loading trucks without constantly moving the machine, the PC360's design can give you that extra bit of range you need. However, when it's time to lift, Cat's power advantage makes a comeback. The next-gen 336 uses an advanced electro-hydraulic system that not only helps with fuel efficiency, but also seriously boosts its lifting power. For operators setting heavy pipes, trench boxes, or big precast structures, the Cat 336's superior lifting capacity is a huge plus, making those heavy lifts safer and more stable. This round is another close one. The Komatsu PC360 has a slight edge in digging depth and reach, making it a master of versatility. But for heavy lifting, the Caterpillar 336 flexes its muscles. The winner here really comes down to what you do most: Section 4. The fuel efficiency fight. With fuel prices always a concern, efficiency isn't just a nice-to-have, it's critical for your bottom line. Both CAT and Komatsu have poured billions into making these 35-ton machines as fuel-efficient as possible. When working hard, both excavators burn fuel at a similar rate, often somewhere between 18 and 22 liters per hour. The real difference is how their smart tech helps save every drop. Caterpillar's next-gen 336 has a smart mode that automatically adjusts the engine and hydraulic power to match what you're digging. It senses when you don't need full power and lowers the engine speed automatically. This system can cut fuel use by up to 15% without the operator touching a thing. It's a set-it-and-forget-it feature designed to balance power and efficiency. Komatsu has been a leader in fuel-saving tech for years with its famous economy mode. This, combined with highly efficient pumps and a smart load sensing system, is engineered to prevent wasted fuel. Komatsu's approach focuses on total system harmony, making sure the engine, pumps, and valves work together perfectly to lower fuel consumption, with some claims of 15 to 20% savings. So which is better? Real-world feedback often suggests the Komatsu PC360 might have a slight edge on lighter, more varied jobs where its economy mode can really work its magic. However, for non-stop, heavy-duty work, the CAT 336's smart mode is incredibly effective at giving you power when you need it and saving fuel when you don't. This round is a draw, with both machines offering amazing technology that helps tackle one of the biggest costs for any equipment owner. We're about to get into the technology that really separates these machines, the brains behind the brawn. But before we do, if you're finding this useful, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button. We're all about bringing you the best heavy equipment analysis, and your support helps us keep making these videos. Section 5. The Technology Showdown. This is where we move beyond just steel and hydraulics. In 2026, it's not just about horsepower. It's about smart tech that makes operators better and faster. Caterpillar has gone all in, making the 336 a productivity machine right from the factory. The CAT Next Gen series comes standard with a whole suite of tools that can boost efficiency by up to 45%. This includes CAT Grade with 2D, giving operators on-screen guidance for depth and slope, with easy upgrades to full 3D GPS. Grade Assist, which automates boom, stick, and bucket movements, so even newer operators can hit their target grade every time. CAT Payload, an onboard scale that gives real-time feedback to prevent over- or underloading trucks, taking the guesswork out of hauling. And E-Fence, which keeps the machine from moving outside of preset safety boundaries, a game changer when working near traffic or other structures. This whole integrated system is like having a co-pilot in the cab, cutting down on rework and saving a massive amount of time and fuel. Komatsu's answer is its own revolutionary system, Intelligent Machine Control, or IMC. The latest version, IMC 2.0, is a highly advanced factory-integrated grade control system that includes features like auto tilt control and bucket angle hold to automate tricky finishing work. One of its best features is the auto stop control, which automatically stops the bucket right on the design surface, making over-digging a thing of the past. Komatsu's tech is designed to be intuitive, helping operators of any skill level do high-precision work with confidence. This round is really a clash of ideas. CAT gives you a wide range of standard features that improve the entire workflow. Komatsu's IMC 2.0 offers a deeply integrated and automated grading solution that is incredibly precise. For the sheer number of standard, factory-installed features that impact everything from digging to loading, the win for this round goes to the Caterpillar 336. Section 6. The price tag and long-term costs. Power and tech are great, but the numbers have to make sense. Let's talk about the cost of getting into one of these machines and keeping it running. For purchase price, the Caterpillar 336 typically ranges from $180,000 to $300,000, reflecting its premium features and powerful build. The Komatsu PC360 can often be found for less, with used prices ranging from approximately $80,000 to just under $200,000. This potentially lower entry cost makes the Komatsu an attractive option for those closely watching their initial investment. But the sticker price is just the beginning. Major repairs are a fact of life. For both machines, a full engine overhaul will generally run between $8,000 and $20,000. A complete replacement engine for the Komatsu could cost between $30,000 and $60,000. The undercarriage is another huge expense for any track machine, and you can expect to pay anywhere from $5,000 to $15,000 for a replacement on either excavator. Standard hydraulic fixes are similar for both, costing between $800 and $2,500. However, a catastrophic failure is another story. A total system contamination in the CAT could lead to claims over $200,000, while major downtime on the Komatsu can cost a company $500 to $1,000 per hour in lost productivity. In this round, the Komatsu PC360 takes the win for its lower initial purchase price, but it's clear that long-term running costs for both of these heavyweights are a serious consideration. Section 7. The operator's domain and durability. A tired operator is an unproductive operator. So for this final round, we're stepping into the cab and looking at long-term durability. Both machines have incredible cabs with heated air suspension seats, big touchscreen monitors, and great visibility. Caterpillar's next-gen cabs have really cut down on vibration and noise, making it a comfortable office for a long day. However, Komatsu is often praised for having one of the quietest cabs in the industry. This is partly thanks to a centrally mounted engine and fantastic sound insulation. When you're spending 10 or 12 hours in the seat, that reduction in noise can make a huge difference in how you feel at the end of the day. When it comes to maintenance, both brands have made it easier. Caterpillar claims its next-gen excavators can reduce maintenance costs by up to 15 to 20% because of longer, more synchronized service intervals and fewer hydraulic lines. Komatsu is also legendary for its reliability and easy-to-access service points, all designed to keep downtime to a minimum. This round is tough to call. Komatsu often gets the nod for its ultra-quiet cab and reputation for reliability. Caterpillar scores major points for its reduced maintenance schedule and world-class parts availability. For the operator-focused comfort that makes a real difference day in and day out, will give a slight edge to the Komatsu PC360. Conclusion. So, after all that, which excavator is the king of the job site? The honest answer is, it depends entirely on what your business needs. Let's break it down one last time. The Caterpillar 336 is the champion of raw power and built-in productivity tech. Its impressive horsepower and standard features like payload and great assist are all about maximizing production, though this often comes with a higher initial price tag. The Komatsu PC360 is the master of refinement, fuel efficiency, and operator comfort. Its smooth hydraulics, excellent fuel economy, and incredibly quiet cab make it perfect for long hours, and it can be a more budget-friendly initial purchase. Here's our final take. If your business is all about aggressive production, moving huge amounts of material, and using the best standard tech to make your whole crew more efficient, the Caterpillar 336 is your machine. It's a smart powerhouse built to dominate. But if you're focused on a lower initial investment, long-term fuel savings, and want to keep your operators comfortable and sharp on long shifts, then the Komatsu PC360 is an incredible choice. It's a finely tuned machine built for smart, sustainable work. Ultimately, you can't go wrong with either one. They are both phenomenal machines, but we want to hear from you. Which one would you put in your fleet and why? Drop a comment below and let us know. Your real-world experience is what matters most. And if you love heavy equipment, be sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss our next showdown. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.